Welcome back to my series on the body, a guide for occupants by Bryson. In the last video, we explored chapter 1, where we marveled at the complexity of human life and the basic elements that make us who we are. Today, we are diving into chapter 2, titled The Outside, Skin and Hair. The chapter focuses on our largest and most versatile organ, the skin, as well as the fascinating world of hair. Let's get started. Chapter 2 of the body takes us on a tour of the skin, which is not only our largest organ, but also one of the most fascinating. Imagine this. Your skin measures about 20 square feet in total and weighs between 10 to 15 pounds. It's a barrier, a sensory surface, and an essential part of how we interact with the world around us. Bryson begins by explaining the structure of the skin. It has two main layers, the outer epidermis and the inner dermis. The epidermis is what we see and touch. It's made up of mostly dead cells that are constantly being shed and replaced. In fact, you lose about 25,000 flakes of skin every minute. That means you essentially get a new outer layer of skin every month. Beneath this lies the dermis, which is where all the action happens. The dermis contains blood vessels, lymph vessels, nerve endings, sweat glands, sebaceous glands, and hair follicles. One of the most remarkable things about skin is how it functions as a sensory organ. It's packed with receptors that allows us to feel touch, temperature, pain, and pressure. These receptors are incredibly specialized. Some respond to light touch, while others detect deep pressure or changes in temperature. This makes our skin an essential tool for navigating our environment. Bryson also discusses melanin, which is produced in the skin and gives it its color. Melanin serves as a natural sunscreen by protecting us from harmful UV rays. Interestingly, variations in skin color are adaptation to different levels of sunlight around the world. Darker skin provides more protection in sunny climates, while lighter skin helps people absorb more sunlight in regions with less sun exposure, a crucial factor for producing vitamin D. Next, let's talk about hair. While it might seem like hair does not do much beyond aesthetics, it actually plays important roles in regulating body temperature and providing sensory input. Each hair grows out of a follicle embedded in the dermis and is nourished by tiny blood vessels at its base. Hair growth is cyclical. Each strand goes through phases of growth, rest, and shedding. Bryson also touches on some quirky facts about hair. For example, did you know that humans have as many hair follicles as chimpanzees? The difference is that most of our body hair is very fine and nearly invisible compared to theirs. He also notes that hair is incredibly strong. It can support up to 100 grams per strand, and it's made primarily of keratin, the same protein found in our nails. One of my favorite parts of this chapter is how Bryson highlights just how much we take our skin for granted. It's constantly working to protect us from bacteria, regulate our body temperature through sweat glands, and even heal itself when injured, all without us even noticing. But there is more to skin than just its biological function. Bryson reminds us that our skin plays a huge role in how we perceive ourselves and others. It affects our sense of identity through features like scars or tattoos, and even influences social interaction based on cultural perception of beauty or race. Finally, Bryson reflects on how little we still know about this incredible organ. For instance, scientists do not fully understand why scars form differently on different parts of the body, or why some people develop conditions like eczema or psoriasis. In summary, Chapter 2 invites us to appreciate our skin not just as a protective barrier, but as a dynamic system that connects us to the world around us. It's an organ that renews itself constantly while serving as both armor and interface, a true marvel of biology. So next time you look at your skin or run your fingers through your hair, take a moment to appreciate all the hard work they are doing behind the scenes. This wraps up Chapter 2. I hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing complexities of your skin and hair as much as I did recording this video. In the next video, we'll continue our journey through the body by exploring another fascinating chapter. Do not forget to like this video if you found it interesting. Subscribe for more deep dives into this incredible book and share your comments and thoughts below in the comment box. Tell me what surprised you most about your skin, and see you next time around. Thank you for listening.